Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing the very highly requested what's on my iPhone video. I have literally been getting requests ever since I did this video last year. I did it in February, and literally ever since then, I have been getting so many messages, so many comments on YouTube, so many people telling me to film this video again. I don't know why, but I'm gonna do it again because I got a new phone, so we're gonna do it. Yeah, so I just got a new phone. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max in gold. I got it for Christmas, or like part of my Christmas gift. I got it like 3 weeks ago actually. I don't even know if I've had that much change since last year's video because everything from my old phone I transferred over through iCloud to this phone. But I mean, it's been almost a year, so I'm sure a few things have changed. So if you guys want to see this video, want to see what's on my iPhone, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new here. Click that bell, and without further ado, let's get started. Ever since my what I got for Christmas, everybody's like, please do what's on my phone, and then I did a what's on my person, like, please do what's on my iPhone. So here I am. I'm giving the people what they want, but here's my iPhone. I just have the iPhone 11 Pro Max in gold. I really like this color. It's like such a pretty color, and this is like the best phone ever. My case is from Spec. I was getting a few questions about it, but so it's really protective, and I actually busted it a little bit. Like, it's like got some little scratches on it because on New Year's Eve, I was waiting on an Uber and I dropped it from like right here. So like, I'm 5 foot, so this is probably at like the 3 foot mark maybe. And I dropped it on the concrete cement, and it bounced off the like sidewalk, off the curb into the road, and I only got like a little tiny crack on my screen protector, but I just got my screen protector replaced today so I could do this video and not feel annoyed. So I've been putting it off because I was waiting to get a new screen protector, and I was in Raleigh a few days ago, so I just now got around to it. So here I am with the video. Anyways, this phone case is actually really protective. I really recommend it. So, okay, I'm starting the screen recording right now. Here's my lock screen. It's just me and my girlies. This was taken on New Year's Day. We went to Raleigh, and it was such a fun night. We stayed the night, and it was just really fun night. So those are my girls, love them. Anyway, so you slide up. I turned my Snapchat and like Instagram notifications off because I just knew it would be annoying. So we good now. So this is my home page. My home screen is just me and my mom. I don't know if you can see it really that well, but posted that on Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram if you want to see that picture. But just the lock screen is normal. I've just got this folder on the upper left-hand corner, as you guys are seeing right now. It's just both my mails, or my emails. So the blue one is actually like my personal email, the one that I've had literally since I was 6 years old. And then the Gmail one is for my school, and then I also have an account for my YouTube and like work and stuff. It's my work email, my school email, and my personal email. There you go. And then the rest is just not in a folder. It's just the normal, I think it's how the iPhone comes, honestly. I don't ever change it. And then you just swipe over. And in the first folder right here, I just have like a bunch of the stuff that like comes on the iPhone. I put it all in a folder. I'd say I use FaceTime, podcast, activity, calculator, contacts, and watch, but the rest I don't use. So yeah. So then I have photo and video right here. These are just like a bunch of my apps that I like to edit my pictures with. The only ones that I use, I don't even use half of these if I'm being honest with you. I use PicMonkey for thumbnails, Visco for editing stuff, like pictures for Instagram, and then I use Lightroom. That's like my main one. Visco, Lightroom, and PicMonkey are literally the only ones. Oh, and Collageable. I'll use that for thumbnails as well. And then the Kira is the one that just makes everything sparkly. I don't really use that, but yeah. So basically, I only use 3 apps out of there, but it's fine. I'm a hoarder, what can I say? And then I have the education app, and I just have the Bible. I have Google Translate because I used to take Spanish in high school. I also went to Guatemala on a mission trip, so it was good to have that. And then I have Mathway, Quizlet, Photomath, Wildfire, which is like my college's like social media. Like, you can link your school, and if there's like a fire or something that's like going around your college campus, you'll get like notifications. It's really cool. I have Student Canvas, which is what I use for school, like how I put my assignments in and everything. Suitable, which I think I can delete now. That was like something I had to get freshman year. And then Park Mobile, which is for meters for parking at my campus. Then I've got Word, Socratic, and Chrome. That's all in education. And then I have lifestyle. I have Fandango for buying movie tickets. I have Yelp. I have the Weather Channel. I have my massage place where I get massages. It's called Aegis. I have Uber. I have Delta, Ticketmaster, a followers app that I don't even use because it's kind of sad to see like who unfollows you. I don't even use that anymore. I have Bitmoji, Disney Plus, or no, Disney World, Noonlight, which is really cool because if you take an Uber by yourself and you feel unsafe, you can hold it down and it sends like an alert to like a police station nearby, and they'll like, or I think it's a police station, correct me if I'm wrong, and they'll like stay with you until you're safe. So that's good because I Uber a lot. And then I've got CoStar, which is just like my zodiac like reading of the day. I'm a Scorpio if you guys want to know. Anyways, okay, that's all for my lifestyle app. And then shopping, I have Amazon, Target, Urban, Sephora, Mercury, Poshmark, Shop My Closet, Hannah V, $19.99. I'll put it on the screen because Shop My Closet, I'm selling a lot of my old phone cases, so go shop it. I'll have it linked in the description box. Then I have Ulta, Unidays, which is like student discounts, Free People, and Reward Style, which is like an affiliate program that like when I link stuff in the description box, that's like the corporate of my links, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes any sense. And then my most used folder, which is socials. Oh, this one's funny. I have Tinder in there. I don't use Tinder. My card is hidden. I literally had it for like 2 months in the summer. And I met some really cool people that way. Like, but I literally never met up with anybody on Tinder like that. Like what Tinder is used for. I just did it to meet people and it's kind of fun. But I swear my card's hidden. I don't even try to find me because you won't, because it's literally hidden. But yeah, so I've got Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Messenger, Pinterest, and Tinder. That's so embarrassing, but I swear I don't use it. My most used is Snapchat and Instagram, but I'll have all my socials linked down below if you guys want to follow me on there. I've been posting quite a lot recently, so make sure you follow me on there. And then music and TV, I have Pandora, Spotify, which I don't use Spotify. I honestly just use Apple Music, but I have a subscription through like Hulu or something. I got like a free, no, it was a subscription through Spotify where I got Hulu for free, I think. Then I've got Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, HBO Now, Hulu, TikTok, and Disney Plus. I use Pandora a lot. HBO Now is what I used when I was watching like Euphoria and Sex and the City, but I finished with those shows. I watched This Is Us on Hulu, and the Netflix, I have a ton of shows I watch. Yeah, Disney Plus, I have an account, but I don't ever watch Disney Plus. I don't know why, I just don't have time. But yeah, that's my music and TV. I do get on TikTok a lot. I don't make a lot of TikToks. Yeah, I don't even have a username, but it's fine. And then food, I have Starbucks, Dunkin', Chipotle, Clean Juice, Chick-fil-A, and Uber Eats. I use Starbucks and Uber Eats. This is literally the only ones I use. And Clean Juice when I wanna like, that's mainly in the summer though, when I order like an acai bowl. And then I have YouTube right here, and I just have the normal YouTube app, like how I watch videos and stuff. And then I've got YouTube Studio, which is how I like, that's how like I upload videos kinda. Like I can switch my profile picture on that app. I can upload videos, upload my thumbnail, see my analytics and stuff. And then I've got Google AdSense, which is how I track like how much money I make on YouTube or whatnot. So yeah, and then I've got finance, I've got PayPal, I've got my bank, which I'm blurring out. I've got Afterpay, which I don't ever use, but it's like where you can make payments. I don't even know, I don't ever use it. Venmo and Cash App, which Venmo, obviously if you're a college student, it's good to have because you and your friends, you know, might split stuff and then they pay you back, whatever, at least my friends and I do that. PayPal, I use the most, and my banking app, obviously. And then Cash App was how I used to get paid when I worked at the boutique that I worked at a while ago. And then I've got home, which has my Amazon Alexa. I want to see if she goes off. Hey Alexa, turn the light off. Ooh, she fancy or whatever. Yeah, so I have Alexa. I have it for her in here. It's kind of like my sound machine alarm clock situation. Yes, I sleep with like a sound. I have to have like ocean sounds. It's so weird. So I use that, and obviously for the light, I have her in my kitchen and living room for my TV lighting system that I got. I love her. I had it for my Christmas tree light. So yeah. Okay, my screen recorded ended, and then I was getting text messages, so I'm back. And then I've got Sprocket, which is how I like, you can print pictures on this like little mini printer from my phone. So like I, from this weekend, took like a lot of pictures with my friends and wanted to add them to this like board that I have, like right when you walk in my apartment. I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a wired board. I don't even know. Where you have like the pins that like hold the pictures or whatever. Anyways, I just printed some pictures yesterday on that thing. It's so, so cool. You can get it off of Amazon. I'll try and link it down below, but it's a really, really cool thing. You can print it just like that. Like it literally takes 2 seconds. And then I've got Philips Hue light, which is what I use like my TV. I have like a lighting system and it projects onto the wall and it can change colors or whatever. It's really cool. GoPro for like skiing and like in the summer and stuff. Have the app so I can like see the videos. Google Home, which, what do I have that for? For my Chromecast, for my TV. And then I've got Mercedes Companion for my car. It's like an app that I have to download and I can check like when I need an oil change or when it needs service or like really cool stuff like that. So I've got that, and then I've got HP Smart, which I had to download for my printer. Don't even ask me why, I don't know. And then the last folder is Help. I have my Fitness Pal, haven't used that in a while. I have the Workouts app, Interval Timer. I don't use any of those, I just still have them. But the only one that I use is Orange Theory because that's where I work out. So I can book classes from there, whatnot. It's really cool, so yeah. That's it, that's on my iPhone. I don't know if I showed, but on the bottom I just have like the phone app, Safari, messages, and music. I don't know if the phone comes like that or if I placed it that way. But those are like most used apps, I'd say. Those, and then like email and pictures and Google Maps. I use Google Maps a lot, or Apple Maps, you know, this one right here. Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, obviously. Most used apps are probably those, so yeah. That's everything. I think I can end it now. I'm so dumb and literally forgot to show you guys the best part of this phone and the whole reason why I got it, which is the freaking camera. Here's the camera. This camera is so cool. Oh, hi. This is my setup right now. Cool. Oh my gosh, I just kicked you guys. But so here's the regular setting, like the 1x, and then it can go to 1 or 0.5. And yeah, it's just really freaking cool. Or you can go super zoomed in, which is really cool. But my favorite is the 0.5 because it's the wide angle. See, because I've got 3 cameras. So like one's the wide angle, one's the regular, and one's the zoomed in one. So, so cool. And then the front camera is really good too. You can zoom it in and zoom it out. I don't know if the other phones have that. I came from the XS Max, that's what I had. And the phone literally compares. This one is the same as the XS Max except the camera feature, like nothing's changed to me. I can't remember if it had this though. And then what else does this one have? Oh, for like flash, you have to like swipe up. I was trying so hard to figure it out when I was in Raleigh this weekend, or for New Year's. We were taking pictures and like I like handed my phone to somebody and we couldn't figure out how to do the flash, but they figured it out and you literally swipe up and you can like do that. Yeah, so that's the camera. It's super, super good. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that was on my iPhone. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it and want me to do more updated ones throughout the year. A lot really doesn't change with my phone. There's this girl, this is random, but she kept messaging me ever since I posted my first What's on My iPhone video. And I would get a message from her like every other week saying, like, she would Snapchat me and she'd be like, is your phone layout the same as it is in that video? Can you send me screenshots of your phone layout? Like, I want it to be just like yours. Like, send me your phone layout like right now. She was like, is your home screen still the same? Like, the layout, are all the apps still the same? And I'm like, hold on, I'll make another video. So this is for you, girl. I'm just kidding, this is for everybody. But yeah, so let me know if you guys want me to do updated ones throughout the year. Let me know down below your favorite apps, like your most used apps. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click that bell. I'll upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen right here. I've been posting a lot on Snapchat and Instagram recently. So yeah, follow me on those apps. I have some giveaways going on right now. They should still be going on while you guys are seeing this video, so I'll try and link them down below. And yeah, I love you guys so much. And I'll hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.